All right, today we are going to talk about Siberian fir. So, Siberian fir is actually a relatively new oil that's been added to doTERRA to their collection. Originally, we had white fir in the collection, but it became unsustainable to be harvested. So, as always, doTERRA, this is at the top of their minds to make sure that whenever they are harvesting or farming any of the essential oils, that it is sustainable for the environment and for the country that it's being farmed from. And if it's deemed to not be, then that does stop. So Siberian fir is much more sustainable than white fir and does give us some of the same similar properties of the white fir. As with all of the firs that we have, it smells like walking through a big piney fir forest. It's delicious. It's fresh, woody, kind of citrusy, with like a bit of a pine smelling. So if you think about airway opening oils, the things like your rosemaries, there's a little hint of that in there as well. And it's beautifully diffused with, I like to, I've combined it with things like arbor vitae because that's kind of a wood based oil as well. So it smells like a forest in the living room. It also works really well with rosemary because there's kind of a similar smell in there. I like to combine it with wild orange too, or bergamot is really nice with it to soften down that pine kind of smell. So the reasons that you'd want to add this guy to your collection, it is sourced from Russia and Canada, that's where it natively grows. It's a huge big conifer tree. As I said, it's a really refreshing and woody scent, so it's quite clean to use in your diffuser. It's nice in the mornings to uplift your spirits. Topically, it's very soothing to your skin. It's wonderful to be used as a massage, so dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it topically to your skin. It can help improve circulation and relaxation in your muscles as well whenever it's used topically. It's also wonderful for anxiety, to calm you down. So with any of the trees and anything, if you think about deep rooted trees, they make us feel grounded the same way that they are grounded into the earth. So Siberian fir is wonderful at calming down and easing any anxiety and tension. Emotionally, Siberian fir is the oil of aging and perspective. So if you have anyone in your life who is a little older, more mature, this is a really great oil for them to emotionally lean on, especially if they're going through big stages of transition, like starting to lose friends or loved ones. This can help support in times of grief, and when big changes like that are happening in their life. Just reading from the Emotional Essential Oils and Emotions book. It talks about how Siberian fir offers comfort and support during periods of grief, regret, and longing. It assists during the twilight years as individuals transition into a more full, mature awareness. Siberian fir helps ease difficult transitions by encouraging individuals to focus on finding meaning and purpose. It offers steady energy through periods of change and adjustment. So it's perfect to have going in the diffuser whenever, and you don't have to be older to benefit from that as well. If you're going through a lot of change in your own life and you're younger, then it's perfect. Even with children, if they're having big changes like moving house, changing schools, a new brother or sister coming into the family, it can be a really good one to emotionally lean on. Negative emotions that it supports are grieving, loss, despairing, sad, regretful, fretting over the past, and pining. So if you're somebody who dwells in your past and finds it hard to move forward, Siberian fir can help you with that. The positive properties that it gives you are a feeling of comfort, forgiveness, perspective, honesty, wisdom, living in the present, optimism, adaptable, and peaceful. So emotionally, it's a very uplifting oil. Good companion oils, as I said, I like to mix it with wild orange or bergamot, those kind of citrusy orange oils. But it can also work really well with petitgrain. So petitgrain is a little bit like, it doesn't smell like lavender, but its emotional properties and its physical properties are like lavender. It's very calming and grounding. Rosemary, yeah, what else would I like to blend it with? Maybe lemon would be really nice too as a citrus oil to put in the diffuser with that. I'll post a few recipes for the diffuser to use this with, but I like it even as an airways opening oil. If you don't have any of the other ones, like if you don't have any easy air left, this is a good one. If you're feeling a bit tight chested, that's where the anxiety is sitting in your chest, diffuse this, or just take the lid off and a few big deep inhales, or dilute it and just apply it to your chest area. So yeah, Siberian Fir. Add this one to your collection. It's a lovely one to have. It's also really good for cleaning. It's really nice if you make your own cleaning products and you're missing the smell of things like Pino Clean. If you maybe used to buy those old school products, this guy will give you the same kind of smell in the bathroom as well. Even as an air freshener, it would work quite well. That is Siberian Fir. Any questions, just pop them in the comments below, and I hope that you guys can add that one to your collection soon. Bye!